Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra colors revealed in wonderful renders. Yesterday, we treated you to a few hands-on photos of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra as posted on Twitter. Today, we have renders of the different colors you can expect when the new Samsung phone launch alongside the regular S22 and S22 Plus. Hi everyone, Hamad from Technology Trends. If you enjoy video like this, then be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on Technology Trends. Created by the Technizo Concept for LetsGoDigital, these stunning renders and based on rumors, speculations and official image leaks that have been flying around the internet recently. The design of the phone is identical to the hands-on photo we saw previous, while the colors to be released and claimed to be black, white, green and burgundy red with a rose purple to finish off the range. The rear of the phone is said to be glass packed but with a matte finish so it feels more premium and less sleepy in the hand. A matching S Pen is included in the renders, which is based on a number of rumors that state the Galaxy S22 Ultra will effectively replace the now cancelled Note series. Other leak information suggests that the Ultra will come with a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus display with HDR and 120Hz. It is also said to run on the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor for Qualcomm. We won't have too long to wait to find out. Hopefully, Samsung will reportedly unveil the Galaxy S22 Ultra alongside its family members in February 2022. Thanks and bye for now.